Well, I've had 2 joints replaced so far. I've had a total hip replacement from Hope and Dr. Dolan, and I've had a total knee replacement from Dr. Dolan. This one used Mako. Life before the hip replacement was pain in every step. Bad bones, bone on bone, no cartilage. My wife and I like to go camping and we like to go walking in the woods. It was very painful with the hip and very long and laborious with the knee. I went to Hope, it was recommended, and I found that I could trust the people that were there. I liked the people that were there. Dr. Dolan is an amazing surgeon, and it shows in his demeanor toward his patients, and it shows in his skill in the surgery room. Mako engineers the surgery plan. All that just makes everything more precise and less damage to your nerves and your muscles. If there's less damage, there's less swelling, there's less pain. I have found in the many surgeries that I have had, you've got to put in the work. They've put in the work by developing the skill. You've got to do the work so that their work's not wasted. I am a return customer. They have generated my trust because of how they have treated me and worked on me in the past. I have the utmost respect for Dr. Dolan and his staff. What Hope can do for people is amazing in giving them mobility and treating the brokenness that we have, whether it's a foot injury or a break in the leg or bad cartilage in the knees and hips. They are able to get people back on their feet.